Hello! So today's makeup tutorial is a very bronzy, glowy, gold type look. A great explanation. My hair is looking crazy, but that's another story. So here's the thing, it's April? Are we in April? I don't know anymore. And it's very cold. My hair is still looking crazy and I want it to be summer. So this is summer. At least for me. I don't know. What happened to my camera? Did I? What happened? I don't know. Doesn't matter. Anywho. Enjoy! Okay. The second I press record, a bus is going past. So that's fine. We are gonna do foundation. This is MAC, it's called Face and Body. Well, it's called, I use it all the time. That's fine. So cool. For concealer, I'm using Collection Lasting Perfection concealer, as always. Okay, now for powder, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me. The little I need a new one. Okay. I like to use this around the eyes because it makes me look like I've slept. And then with a giant fluffy brush, this is a Morphe E41 and MAC powder. What's it called? Mineralized Skin Finish powder. I prefer to use this one all over the face because it's got kind of like a satin finish. For bronzer, I'm using this what's it called? Bronze Goddess by Estee Lauder and a MAC 135 brush, just your average bronzer brush. Really going for it. Because I've decided it's summer. It is not where I live, but that's okay. We can pretend. There's a layer on the nose. Beautiful. For blush, I'm using a Morphe E4, just angled brush, and what's it called? Benefit. Oh my god, today. Dandelion by Benefit. There you go. Just a little bit. So dainty. And on the nose as well because we like that. Now, I'm going to move over to the eyes because I'm feeling very gold today because, you know, some days you just feel gold. So I'm using this Colourpop Super Shock Shadow in the shade Get Lucky. And it's a very gold. I usually apply these with my fingers. You can do whatever you like. Applying that all over the lid. Can you see that? There's a motorbike. It's very gold. It's very, very gold. Which is great. Then I've got a gold fingernail. Then with a brush, which brush? Okay, with this type of flat synthetic brush, this is from Bare Minerals. It says concealer brush. I don't know. It came from somewhere. I'm using Becca Champagne Pop. I love this guy. All over that same gold, because we are gold, baby. I don't know who baby is, but you know, we're gold. Taking that pretty high on the crease and basically blending it out everywhere. You can never have too much gold. We're pretty much done, really. And then for my inner corner and brow, I'm using another highlighter. This is Soft and Gentle by MAC. Still kind of gold, but I'm using the same brush because who cares. This is a different kind of gold, because you know, not all golds are the same. I don't know if you can see that. I need a different brush. Okay, fine. Whoops. Okay, I'm using this wee teeny little brush. It doesn't have a name on it. I feel like the camera's not really picking up how sparkly we are sparkling, but that's okay. Fine. I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills Deep Brow Pomade for my brows. We're gonna do mascara. This is Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, by the way. Okay, now finish off the face. I'm using the same two highlights that I used on my eyes. There you go. So I'm using both Champagne Pop and Soft and Gentle, because why not? This is a Morphe R10 brush. And oh boy, oh boy. Okay, we are bronzy and we are glowing. Yay. So for the lips, I'm gonna keep it quite simple because there's a lot going on already. I'm using a MAC lip liner that is called Subculture. This is pretty much my color. Just use whatever, you know, works for you. And I'm kind of blending in that lip liner just so that it's not just the one line. And then over that, I'm using this lip gloss from the brand Kiss. It's kind of like a rose gold. And we're done. Right, do this. Wow, perfect. Here we go. And this is the final look. Can you see that glow though? Look at that. Okay, I'm done.